Okay guys, so I'm just going to walk you through on how you can retouch this portrait in KUMOO with a few minutes. So I'm done retouching this portrait in KUMOO in a few minutes. So the first I'm going to do is just to come to my sliders here. Okay, as you can see, and here it says retouch. So I'll just come here. So the first thing I'm going to see is remove blemishes. Okay, so the first slider is acne. So I'll just increase the slider. So look at that, it has taken care of my acne. Very simple. So no need of all these long processes in Photoshop. So look at the before, look at the after, look at the before, look at the after. It has taken care of my acne. Very simple. And look at that. So I'll just come here, acne on the body, pick it up again. It will take care of acne on the body. So body blemishes, the sliders up. Mads, I don't want to touch it. Forehead wrinkles, there's none here, but let me just keep it up there. So there's none there. So dark circles, so if there's dark circles in the eyes, so it's just going to take care of it, but it's not much here. So look at that. So look at it before, look at the after. Okay, it has taken care of that. So acne around eyes is, so look at that, it will still take care of it the more. So cheek lines, so there is no cheek line here. So smile lines, I think there is no smile lines here too. So double chin. So all these things, you watch out to your pictures or your pictures that you are working on. So there might be differences, so you keep up the sliders and see the difference. Okay, so we'll come down to skin, neutral gray leveling. So I'm just going to increase it. Look at that, it has added more. Look at before, look at the after. So neutral gray contour, it has added more dimensions to my photo. Skin refinement effects, so look at that. So it has added more dimensions in my photo. So frequency separation, I'm not going to increase it. Okay, so reduce the high frequency because I want to achieve more smoother effect. So look at the before, look at the after. Okay, look at how smooth the skin has become. So my body frequency separation on the body, I'll just increase it. So the row, of course, should be like this. So I'll increase the smoothing. So look at that. So look at the before on the body, look at the after. Okay, so I'll just come to skin texture, add a little bit skin texture on the face. Look at before, look at the after. So come to brightness, increase it a little to get to something close to what I want. So tone it up a little. So this rosy, I'm not going to increase it because I want to add another color grading to it. So look at that, the before, the after. Skin tone of the face, I'm going to increase it to match up the skin tone on the face, to smoothen everything. So skin tone on the body to also match it up. So here now is the skin tone balance, so to bring a balance to the face and the body. So look at that. So I've just seen it. So it's now bringing a balance between the face and the body, ensuring that no place is looking quite different. So look at that before. As you can see, the body is more darker. So increasing it ensures that you match the skin of the face and of the body, ensuring that no place is darker. So I'm just going to choose a different skin tone here. So yes, I'm going to be choosing this one. Reduce the intensity because I don't want it to be too stronger. Increase a little bit of the temperature to add a little bit warmness to the image. So I think I'm basically done with this. So look at the overall before and the after. So look at the amazing changes. Let's compare and see. Okay, look at that. Look at the amazing changes that we have got from this to this using our KUMOO without trying to learn all those techniques in Photoshop. Just with these simple steps, yeah, I was able to get this. So, and I can also save this as preset if I want to. Come here, new, save as presets so that I can always replicate it on similar images that I want to put it. So this is how you can easily edit your photos using KUMOO. Thank you for watching, and do make sure you follow us for more. So if you are interested in installing this KUMOO, check in this video description. You see a detailed information on how to download and install KUMOO and start using it to enhance your photo retouching journey and improve. Thank you for watching, and please do make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel